Hey, this is the Rincon Giant 1993 mountain bike that's been put back together, and it's got a 79cc Predator engine on it that we just mounted. It's going to be custom painted, new tires, big upgrade, as well as this bike kit, motorized bicycle kit with the direct clutch drive and all. And then we're going to mount it on to carry this little day camper, is what we're going to call it. And it'll be probably left as is. Maybe we change the canvas to match the bike. Maybe we add some yellow to the bike to give it continuity. But however, this is the engine. We just mounted it just temporarily, just to get it balanced and get it right where we want it, based on where the chain goes and hooks up. And we're going to end up installing some cool stuff on it. The handlebars will be redone and tilted back just a bit, and we're going to mount a Barut, or whatever they call this, super zoom double triple headlight, powered with a little battery backpack. We'll do a little custom extension here and build that into the bike itself, and then try to hide the battery pack down there below the fork there. But this, like I said, this is going to be 79cc with the governor and such removed. It'll be a very fast little bike. The bike pedals will remain, because it's a 21 speed mountain bike, and if you change to a single crank, you lose those extra gears. And also, in order to pedal it, even though you can pedal it now, we're going to extend the pedals themselves by 3 inches. So we'll have a longer, wider pedal to where you can get your foot around the chain guard, clutch assembly and all. And basically, this bike is designed and going to be built to give someone, whoever watching the channel, watch me build this thing and subscribe. Definitely you'll get an opportunity to take this bike home, and we'll even ship it to you. So it's pretty cool. And that's my Dawes 29 speed over there. I think it says 9 on one side, 3 on the other. That's 27. Oh, 27 speed. Get your math right. Yeah, I can't do math. And anyway, this is it. The trailer is pretty cool. You can't even feel it behind the bike whenever you're pedaling it. And just hitches on with the quick disconnect pin. Once you mount the little bracket on there, it's quick and easy. This is just a $134 grocery grabber. It's already been to the grocery store and back, and it was super easy to pull. But once we put the motor on there won't be probably any pedaling, other than to make it look like you're actually riding the bike and it's not motorized. Funny. Yeah. Okay, gonna publish this because the next video, if you subscribe and hit the little bell, you're going to see the bike back up on the bench in the shop, and you're gonna go see some new extras and stuff being put on it, and then we'll do a crank up and a test ride as well. Hope you're gonna like it. Hope you subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.